The two common anamorphic lenses out for the iPhones right now is the 1.33x and the 1.55x anamorphic lens. A question we get asked a lot is what's the difference between the two and which one should I get? Well, in this video, we're going to answer those questions and go in depth with each lens so it's easier for you guys to pick the right one that fits you. So first, let's mount the lenses onto the iPhones. Once your case is on, you're going to want to mount the anamorphic lens on the wide angle camera of your iPhone. In this case, the wide angle lens of our 12 Pro Max is here on the bottom. However, it could be on top depending on your iPhone model, so make sure you double check. Next, you simply screw on the lens onto the mounting point of where the wide angle lens is. I like to screw it on in reverse for about half a spin and then forward just to make sure it catches. Screw it on until the lens tightens and touches the metal mounting point of the case. Make sure you don't over tighten it. Finally, find the alignment mark on the anamorphic lens and align it with the alignment mark of the case. Once you do that, you're set and you're ready to shoot. Make sure you always check the alignment as often as you can, as it can move from time to time. Once your lens is properly mounted, you're going to want to use an app that can desqueeze your footage as you're filming. We recommend using Filmic Pro as it gives you both options to desqueeze at 1.33x or 1.55x. Once your lens is mounted and you're within the app, you simply just go into the settings and select which one you're going to use. So what's the main difference between the 1.33 and the 1.55 anamorphic lens? Well, in short, the final aspect ratio in which you're going to convert your footage will be the main difference. The anamorphic 1.33 lens will squeeze to a 2.39 to 1 ratio image into a 16.9 sensor, while the 1.55x squeezes into a 2.76 to 1 ratio image into a 16 to 9 sensor. Here's a couple visual comparisons to show you guys what it's going to look like. So I've put both footage side by side first so you can see the difference between the two as we desqueeze it. The 1.33 is on the left while the 1.55 is on the right. As we desqueeze them, you'll notice the final aspect ratio of both footage and the differences between the two. Because both lenses use the same glass, there really is no difference in sharpness, color, and flares between the two. It's simply the difference in aspect ratio. And those are the two main differences of the 1.33 and 1.55. We hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll be glad to help.